In 2025, content is everywhere, and good editing is what makes it stand out. Whether you're cutting shorts, YouTube videos, or full-on films, here are the top 5 editing software tools creators are using right now. From totally free to fully pro, let's break it down. CapCut made its name by being the go-to free editor for short-form content. And while it's still free for basic editing, in 2025, things have changed. A growing number of features are now locked behind the CapCut Pro paywall. Want to blur backgrounds? Professor Premium Fonts or AI captions? Professor even 4K exports without a watermark. You guessed it, Pro. It's still a great starting point, but the app has clearly moved into the freemium lane. You'll need to pay to unlock its full potential. DaVinci Resolve 19 continues to lead the pro-grade free software space. You get top-tier color grading, audio mixing, multicam editing, all for free. The 2025 update brings even better AI tools, voice isolation, auto scene detection, and smarter timeline suggestions. Perfect for creators who want Hollywood-level quality without a subscription. Premiere Pro remains a powerhouse in 2025. With new AI-assisted workflows like automatic B-roll suggestions, scene tagging, and real-time captions, editing is faster than ever. Seamless integration with After Effects and Photoshop still makes it ideal for pros. Downsides, it's subscription only, now starting at $22.99 per month. For Mac users, Final Cut Pro is smoother than ever thanks to M3 chip optimization. It now supports 8K footage, real-time HDR preview, and includes built-in templates for vertical content and social media formats. One-time payment, no monthly fees, but it's Mac only. Filmora 2025 finds that sweet spot between ease of use and creative freedom. The updated version now features AI-powered editing, improved voice cleanup, and a growing library of transitions and effects. Free version adds a watermark, but paid plans are budget-friendly and beginner-approved. Which one do you use in 2025? Drop a comment, and don't forget to hit that like or follow if this helped you choose. Happy editing, and see you in the next one.